Hey guys, welcome to Sharp Learners. This channel is solely dedicated to all the students out there. Hope you enjoy watching and learning it the smart way. So let's get started. The topic that we are going to focus in this video is Java database connectivity with Mysql. The very first confusion state is what software needs to be installed. So let's take a look at the software requirements. You can see the list of softwares that can be used. We would need NetBeans, JDK, MySQL connector, and XAMPP installer. So after downloading all these softwares, you will have to install them. So install NetBeans. JDK will be automatically selected while installing. If not, download the required JDK version accordingly. Also install XAMPP Windows installer for SQL Server. So this is how your NetBeans would look after installation. And this is how your XAMPP control panel would look like. So every time you're working on your NetBeans, you need to open this XAMPP control panel. As we would be working on MySQL, you need to click on the start button before it. The next very important stage is registering MySQL on NetBeans. So to follow the following steps and get the connection done, you need to first include a project. After including the project, on the left side, as you can see, you will see projects. In that, you see the library folder. Right click on that. You'll find an option saying add jar file. So select that and select the required MySQL connector. Again, follow the same steps, but this time select add library. Once you get on the window, you have to scroll down and then select MySQL JDBC driver. Also set class path. For that, click on tools, libraries, class path, click on add jar. Here select the MySQL connector jar file and say OK. Now switch to services tab. Here the very first option that you see is database. Right click on it and select register MySQL server. You will see MySQL server property dialog box. Now fill in the basic properties as follows: server hostname localhost, server port number 3306, administrator username root, and administrator password. I have kept it blank. Now switch to admin properties tab and fill in the following details. Now here you need to specify the path for the particular exe file. Where will you find these exe files? Remember the XAMPP folder? Go to your XAMPP folder, locate MySQL folder inside it, click on bin, and you would find the respective files. As you can see, your MySQL server is being added to your databases. Now right click on your MySQL server and select the option create database. As you can see, I have created a new database, that is DemoDB. Now right click on that created database and click on connect. After doing that, you will see your database connection being added. In the drop down, you find your database name, as we tried to establish connection with the database you just created. Here you will find your tables, views, and procedures. You can create your tables here to include in your Java program. In your program, you can insert or fetch data from the tables created in your database. Now that your connectivity is sorted, you can dig into your programming. So here is a demo program for you all to try. All the best. Click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any updates from us.